How did a wholesome act of kindness lead to a major crime? He was just a 15-year-old immigrant kid, desperate for a job. She took him under her wing and went out of her way to help him, driving him to work, convincing management to give him raises, and even making him homemade meals, like a caring mom. But then came the shock. It turned out he had been stealing customers' credit card information and draining their accounts. That explained all the criminal reports flooding in. And if that wasn't enough, he'd also been swiping their purses and wallets while they shopped, leaving them nothing. Over just a few months, hundreds of thousands of dollars vanished. It crushed her when she had to fire him and call the police. The kid she had cared for so much was arrested for multiple crimes and deported. The American dream she had tried to help him find, gone in an instant.